This is COLREGs Part D, Rules 32 to 37. Part D, Sound and Light Signals. Rule 32. Definitions. A. The word whistle means any sound signaling appliance capable of producing the prescribed blasts, and which complies with the specifications in Annex 3. B. The term short blast means a blast of about 1 second's duration. C. The term prolonged blast means a blast of from 4 to 6 seconds duration. Rule 33. Equipment for sound signals. A. A vessel of 12 meters or more in length shall be provided with a whistle. A vessel of 20 meters or more shall also be provided with a bell. A vessel of 100 meters or more shall, in addition, be provided with a gong. The bell or gong or both may be replaced by other equipment provided it makes the same sound signal characteristics. B. A vessel of less than 12 meters in length shall not be obliged to carry the sound signaling appliances prescribed in paragraph A, but if she does not, she shall be provided with some other means of making an efficient sound signal. Rule 34. Maneuvering and warning signals. A. When vessels are in sight of one another, a power-driven vessel underway, when maneuvering as authorized or required by these rules, shall indicate that maneuver by the following signals on her whistle. 1 short blast. I am altering my course to starboard. 2 short blasts. I am altering my course to port. 3 short blasts. I am operating astern propulsion. B. A vessel may supplement the whistle signals with light signals repeated as necessary. 1 short flash. Altering course to starboard. 2 short flashes. Altering course to port. 3 short flashes. Operating astern propulsion. C. When in sight of one another in a narrow channel or fairway. 2 prolonged blasts followed by 1 short blast. I intend to overtake you on your starboard side. 2 prolonged blasts followed by 2 short blasts. I intend to overtake you on your port side. You on your port side. The vessel about to be overtaken shall indicate agreement by 1 prolonged, 1 short, 1 prolonged, 1 short blast. D. When vessels in sight of one another are approaching each other and, from any cause, either vessel fails to understand the intentions or actions of the other, or is in doubt whether sufficient action is being taken by the other to avoid collision, she shall immediately indicate such doubt by giving at least 5 short and rapid blasts on the whistle. This signal may be supplemented by at least 5 short and rapid flashes. E. A vessel nearing a bend or an area of a channel where other vessels may be hidden shall sound 1 prolonged blast. The other vessel shall sound a prolonged blast in answer. F. If whistles are fitted on a vessel at a distance of 100 meters or more apart, only 1 whistle shall be used for the whistle signals prescribed in this rule. Rule 35. Sound signals. In restricted visibility, in or near an area of restricted visibility. A. A power-driven vessel making way through the water shall sound 1 prolonged blast at intervals of not more than 2 minutes. B. A power-driven vessel underway but stopped and making no way shall sound 2 prolonged blasts at intervals of not more than 2 minutes. C. A vessel not under command, a vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver, a sailing vessel, a vessel engaged in fishing, and a vessel engaged in towing or pushing another vessel shall sound 1 prolonged, followed by 2 short blasts at intervals, not more than 2 minutes. D. A vessel towed, or if more than 1 vessel is towed, the last vessel of the tow, if manned, shall sound 1 prolonged, followed by 3 short blasts at intervals, not more than 2 minutes. A vessel being pushed ahead or towed alongside shall use the signal in paragraph C. E. A vessel at anchor shall sound at intervals of not more than 1 minute. Rapid ringing of the bell for about 5 seconds. Vessels greater than or equal to 100 meters. Bell forward plus gong aft. Additionally, she may sound 1 short, 1 prolonged, 1 short blast. F. A vessel aground shall give the anchor signals in paragraph E. And, in addition, 3 separate and distinct strokes on the bell before and after the rapid ringing. She may also sound the optional whistle signal. G. A vessel of 12 meters or more but less than 20 meters may use some other effective sound signal. H. A vessel less than 12 meters is not obliged to give the prescribed signals, but shall make some effective sound signal. I. A pilot vessel may sound the prescribed signals, and may in addition sound 4 short blasts. Rule 36. Signals to attract attention. If necessary to attract the attention of another vessel, any vessel may make light or sound signals that cannot be mistaken for any signal authorized elsewhere in these rules. High-intensity or dazzling lights shall not be used. Rule 37. Distress signals. When a vessel is in distress and requires assistance, she shall use or exhibit the signals described in Annex 4 to these regulations.